Right now we are in the middle of nowhere, near woods, and there's a little bit of a situation.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So basically we're driving to Osaka right now, and Tomek told me that the fan on his car stopped working, and we needed to stop to see what's going on. We're trying to connect some things together with a piece of wire from my old wiring harness, and we're trying to see if we can do anything to fix it and go. We have like 250 kilometers left, so yeah, we need to fix the car if we want to go. Pretty glad I'm lazy because I brought my engine harness with me, and cables are helping us immensely right now. Przekaźnik od makaronu.
Potem. Makaron
Też
działa.
mamy makaron.
No.
I'm helping. So basically in the end we just got two wires and hardwired the fan to the battery, and well, we'll go this way. We will see what to do with this when we reach the place. O, Solka jedzie.
Pa! Automatic, kurwa!
We fix.
We fix. I teraz już tylko można jechać. Ale kurwa sztosy.
And now we can go shopping, finally. Today we have like a chill day because well, it's the first day, not much is happening right now, and We have set up everything, and after a 6-hour drive we are all exhausted, so everything we'll do today is probably be like just, you know, to have some fun, you know, drink some beer, talk with some old friends, look at some cars, and maybe tomorrow we will go with a camera to get some nice cars, get the civic counter going, and yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Day 2, let's go. But first, let's get the civic counter out of the way. Meanwhile, Thomas doesn't get any rest. A thermostat has been broken.
It brokey. Brokey boy.
And it will not give any water to the thing. So yeah. The boys made a modification so the thermostat is open all the time. Well, it's non-existent, so
water circulation in all the car through all the components, so it should not be boiling now.
yeah, because basically after it has boiled and went everywhere, as you have seen previously, the thermostat has broken completely. It will not push, it will not pass any water or anything. So we got rid of it completely, and yeah, we'll see what happens, if it leaks anywhere or will it work and we'll get home.
Look at this shit. It's nice frisbee. That was good.
aktualnie znowu chodzi jeden. Tak. Ten chodzi, ten...
We're literally cooking the thermostat to see if it even works.
No niby się otwier, nie?
Niby tak.
Nie mamy, wiesz, termometru, żeby zmierzyć jaka jest temperatura, przy jakiej się otwiera, przy jakiej nie.
We got this soup. We get soup. We give soup to people. We give soup.
Słuchajcie, termostat jest dzisiaj na obiad. Jakby ktoś chciał. Możemy przyprawić.
Yo! I stole the camera and I don't know how to use it, so seriously I don't know how to use it. There is a nice car, so... Siema!
To możecie wrzucić na ognisko, to się odgrzeje.
No. Tu. Daj go na ognicho.
Ten już pa...
I o ciebie co?
Na nagraniu wygląda jakbyś miał nasrane na tą kloca, nie?
No, bo ja już tak miałem.
Dobra.